Rubbermaid pitcher is designed for easy mixing, serving, and storing. Leak-resistant lids are designed to prevent spills while you're pouring or mixing drinks. Ideal for making drinks from mixes, or as a sangria pitcher or lemonade pitcher. Comfortable, pinch grip side handle is designed for easy pouring, large lid opening makes filling easy. Plastic pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Made in the USA. Rubbermaid Mixermate pitchers are designed for easy mixing, serving, and storing. The leak-resistant lids help to prevent spills while you're pouring or mixing drinks. The pinch grip handle makes pouring more comfortable. Rubbermaid Mixermate pitchers are BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality and design, and incredible value. And made in the USA. I like to make my own salad dressing in 2-quart batches that are then kept in the refrigerator. But the refrigerator bottles I used previously were made of thin plastic and had lids that always leaked a little when I was vigorously shaking the dressing to blend the oil and the vinegar. After a short time, they all developed small cracks that leaked even more. What a mess. This bottle has solved all my issues. The bottle has a wide opening, so adding ingredients is much easier, and this also makes it easier to clean. The plastic seems to be thicker and more flexible, so it looks like it will last longer. And the very cleverly designed spout does not leak no matter how vigorously I shake the bottle. When opened, the spout pours nicely in a small, even stream. This is a winner.